Now on question 8, we've got Petra and Steve organising a packed lunch and a bottle of water for each pupil going on a school trip. So make sure you read the question and you understand it, because there's a lot of reading there. Petra, she puts the packed lunches into boxes. So let's have a box so we can make sense of Petra. Okay, and she's putting the lunches into the boxes, and each box holds 20 lunches. So I draw my box and I'm going to put my 20 in so I can see my 20 lunches. Steve, okay, we've got Steve now. He's doing his bit for the party on the school trip. So Steve there, he puts the bottles of water. All right, so he's doing the bottles of water. And each crate again holds 18 bottles. So there's my crates, there's Steve putting them in, and we've got bottles of water, 18 in the crate. When they have finished, Petra has filled 45 boxes. So she's filled 45 of these. Okay, and Steve has filled 52 of these. Showing all your calculations. Now look at the marks, 6 marks, that's key. Make sure you show your calculations. You will get nothing if it's wrong. Explain whether or not Steve has enough water to give 1 bottle with each lunch. Well, the first thing we've got to work out is how many lunches have we got. We've got 20 multiplied by 45. 45 times 20. Now there's lots of ways of doing this. Some people like to do a long multiplication out. Okay, some people like to do it, okay, we haven't got a calculator and not very good at their table, so let's do 45 times 10. Well, I know what that is, that's 450, that's okay. And now if I want it times 10, if I double it, I times it by another 2, 900 will be 45 times 20. So if you're happier doing it that way, then do it that way. Or you write it out as a 45 times 20, 45 times 20. You want to show everybody you're multiplying by 20, not 2, so you put the 0 down. You say 2 times 5 is 10, 0 down, carry the 1, 2 4s are 8, and 1 is 9. Either way, you get the answer. Now, Steve, he's putting the bottles of water in, and he's going to do 52 times 18. Now, a lot of people don't like to do long multiplication. I don't know why, they get confused, so let's think of another way of doing it. We've got 52 times 10, and then 8 times 52. Well, that's still quite difficult, okay? I could do 52 times 20 and then take off 2 lots of 52. So you can do it whatever way you wish, okay? So if we do 52 times 10, which is 520, and then we're going to do 52 times 8. Okay, 52 times 8 on the side. 8 2s are 16, 6 down, carry the 1 over. I like to put it over by the 10s where I'm going to add on. 8 5s are 40 and 1 make 41. So 52 times 8 is going to be 416. Now that's times 10, that's times 8. We want 18, add them together. We've got 6, 2 and 1 make 3. So we've got 936 bottles of water. And Petra's got 900 lunches. So question asks us, explain whether or not Steve has enough water. Okay, it's not good enough just to write the numbers and think that the examiner will know what you're doing. So you can say Steve has 936 bottles of water. Petra has 900 lunches. So there is enough water. Okay, and I've got 6 marks.